So now we're going to do something super easy and fast at the tea room. We get so many compliments on a lot of our food, and I always reassure everybody they are so easy. We don't do anything very complicated at the store, and I just think it's just makes everything just simple and totally enjoyable. So we are going to do Parmesan Crusted Cod right now, and so I've started with I'm going to actually do the recipe in half from what we have in the cookbook, and the cookbook starts with 8 fillet of cod. I'm going to only do 4. These are 5-ounce cod. They're semi-frozen. You certainly can thaw them out completely if you want. We usually do it frozen right away at the store. So it's just super simple, super quick. So let's start with the breading. So we're going to start with 1 cup of breadcrumbs. And I'm just going to put in a bowl here. A half a cup of Parmesan, grated Parmesan. Then we are going to do a half a teaspoon of dried mustard. And a half a teaspoon of garlic. I like to use granulated garlic. The garlic powder just seems to just get so hard and clumpy for us too fast. So, and then a teaspoon of dried parsley. And remember, this is half of the recipe from the cookbook. And then I'm going to just mix that together a little bit first before I go get my melted butter. So it's just a bread coating. So I've just got some melted butter here, and we are going to put 2 tablespoons of melted butter in. By all means, if you want to mince up your own garlic to put in here instead of granulated garlic, that would be just fine too. So that's all incorporated really well. So we are going to pour 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. So at the store, we just kind of eyeball this, but I'll do a measurement for fun, why not? So we're just going to, see how I'm just pouring these over the chicken breast like this. Now this is heavy whipping cream. And then we're just going to sprinkle. I like to make sure that there's a nice coating on each cod fillet first. Isn't that pretty? I'm just going to go ahead and dump it on the sides. So when you want to dish this up, you'll get all that goodness on there too. So that's simple, just like that, you guys. Cod fillets, heavy whipping cream, then your bread mixture. I'm going to cover this with foil, and we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. Cod doesn't take that long, or fish, I should say, doesn't take that long. Safety temperature is 140. So I'll let you take a look when it's done. So the buzzer just went off for the Parmesan Crusted Cod, so I'm going to get it out of the oven.
Hey, Abby, can you get out of
They're fine. They can be in the video, Caleb.
I know.
All right. So let's take a look to see what this looks like. Ooh, that looks yummy. All right. So here it looks really nice. You can tell it's really white and flaky and a little bubbly. Doesn't that look good? Yummy. Smells amazing.